So we'll need one piece for the head and the body. This will be for his face and his eyes. 4 pieces of white fondant for his legs, and some black for the contrast. 1 full toothpick and half a toothpick, and these will be for his legs. An edible black marker and tools. Now I rolled a piece of fondant out flat and made it very thin. Now I'm just slowly cutting circular shapes that will be for the cow spots. It doesn't have to be perfect. Gently pull it out. Just make a few. Now, adding some water on the big piece of white fondant. I'm just adding on his spots. Using some water as glue, just add it on. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I've made a triangular shape from white fondant. And I'm just adding it onto the sides for his ears. Rolling out a little bit of light pink in an oval shape and placing it in the front. Adding also a tiny little bit of pink on his ears. Now I'm making 2 holes. I'm adding some white fondant for his eyes and pressing it with a ball tool. And a little bit of black. And repeat on the other side for both eyes, and using the black edible marker, I'm just drawing on his nose and his mouth. Now I'm rolling a piece of fondant into a thick cylinder. Make 4 of those and insert 4 half toothpicks. These will be for his legs. And I'm slowly inserting them at the bottom of the body. Inserting another full toothpick. And if needed, another half toothpick behind it. For more security, add some water for glue, and on goes his head. Roll out a small piece of white fondant and add a bit of black at the tip in a shape of a teardrop for his tail. And we'll add it at the back for his tail. And there is our little cow. Hope you enjoyed watching.